Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Ibotta rebate app and exactly what is going on. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second and share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So if you all watch my videos on Sunday, you already know that I've kind of been on vacation this week, been trying to play a little catch up on a few videos that I've promised you all. Well, a couple of weeks ago, we had some crazy stuff going on with Ibotta, and I told you all that I would do some digging and I would come out with a video and let y'all know what I thought about what all was going on and how I thought it would end up. So for that video, I did some digging, I took some notes, and then I also received several emails from you guys sending me in the questions that you sent Ibotta as well as their response. So it's really been kind of a whole process to kind of gather up all of this information. And now this week, I go back to revisit that information and post the video, and lo and behold, Ibotta has given us another update. So again, Ibotta keeps going back and forth on a lot of these things, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to give you guys kind of a quick rundown of what has happened so far and what we now know thanks to this new update from Ibotta. Alright, now while I kind of chit-chat with y'all about Ibotta and go through my notes here, I'm going to go ahead and put up this picture of my last big Ibotta haul. Now this one was from back at the beginning of September, I do believe, when we received the new P&G rebates, plus we also had the new P&G insert coupons. So we could use the coupons and take advantage of the rebates, so we were getting super cheap and free items. Also happening right around this time is when Ibotta just kind of lost their brains, okay? They were literally changing offers day to day, and for us couponers, we didn't really know what to expect. Should we go and do the deal and take the chance? Maybe the rebate will work, maybe the rebate will not work. You know, it was really kind of a rough couple of weeks there for Ibotta, and that is the reason why I did not post this haul, because I was like, you know, what's going to happen? I really don't want to be posting these deals and sharing them if other people can't go out and do the same exact deal that I did. So that's when I decided I was just going to kind of wait it out and see where the chips fall, because typically whenever there's changes with anything, with Walgreens, Dollar General, if they make changes, there's usually a little period of time in there where everything's kind of up in the air and everybody is confused. So just to kind of give you all a quick rundown of exactly what Ibotta has done to us over the last month and a half, is the first round of changes that they made were on certain offers. So only some offers had the restrictions on there where you could not combine with manufacturer coupons and other offers. Now, my initial reaction to this first change was, what's the big deal? Ibotta has always had offers where it says that you cannot combine with manufacturer coupons or other offers. That restriction has always been on the Ibotta app. I even confirmed it with a few other couponers out there. So I was kind of like, you know, what's the big deal? What's going on here? And then Ibotta really threw a curveball at us when they added that restriction to all of the rebate offers. So you could not combine the rebate with the coupons, with sales, with any kind of offers whatsoever. So that's when I was kind of like, okay, hold up, what in the world is going on with Ibotta? What are they even thinking? Because for as long as I have been using the Ibotta app, which is a very long time, years at this point, they have never put out like a blanket statement over all stores across all rebates. You cannot combine with coupons, offers, sales. I mean, just craziness. So I was like, what in the world are they thinking? So that's kind of when I decided to do a little bit of digging and see what exactly happened and what triggered this change. And that is when I figured out that Ibotta had teamed up with Walmart to create Walmart Rewards. Now, if you are a Walmart Plus member, you probably already know about Walmart Rewards, and it's basically just like Ibotta. You have the same rebates and the same offers as we do on Ibotta. So here's where the problem came in. People were stacking the Walmart Rewards with the Ibotta rebates. And I'm not going to lie, when Walmart Rewards first came out, I was like, ooh, I need to sign up for that. And I definitely need to do a video kind of doing a review and if it is in fact worth paying that extra cash to take advantage of the Walmart Rewards. So if that's something that y'all still want to see, I will gladly sign up and kind of give you guys the pros and cons to signing up with Walmart Plus and paying out that extra cash, because there are other perks other than Walmart Rewards. But as far as the Walmart Rewards goes, from my understanding, you cannot use coupons with the Walmart Rewards. And also, if I'm getting the same offers on Ibotta through the Ibotta app, kind of what's the point? Because with Ibotta, we can always cash out for multiple kinds of gift cards, and we can just send it straight to our PayPal account. So I'm not sure how I feel on the Walmart Rewards thing. I'm really not seeing the point to it right now. But if that's something that you guys want me to check into for you all and give you the pros and cons to it, I will definitely do that. But anyways, back to Ibotta. I think when they joined up with Walmart and created Walmart Rewards, I think that's where they kind of ended up in a little bit of a pickle. And that's where that blanket statement came in, where you cannot combine with coupons or any other offers. So after I figured out that part of the situation, I kind of thought, you know what, we're just going through some growing pains. They're just making some changes, and this will eventually even itself back out. Now, whether that is to our favor or not is still yet to be determined, but so far, here is the latest update from Ibotta on their Ibotta website, and I will leave the link to it in the pinned comment down below. So basically, you go on the Ibotta website, can I use coupons or other promotions with Ibotta offers? Here is their answer as of about 14-15 hours ago. They have now changed it to some Ibotta offers have restrictions that will not allow them to be combined with paper manufacturer coupons, paper coupons, and promotional codes. Now, we're going to see another slide here in just a second, but let's go ahead and talk about this one for just a minute. Paper manufacturer coupons while shopping at Walmart in store. I'm not sure why that is specified there, but I guess we will see what happens with the Ibotta app going forward. Then they also specify paper coupons again. Now, Walmart does not offer store coupons like Walgreens or CVS does, so not sure why that's in there really. And then promotional codes while shopping at online shopping retailers on the Ibotta app, website, and browser extension. So basically, we are back to square one. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said that Ibotta has always had certain offers where you could not combine with coupons and other offers? That's always been there. So basically, we are back to square one. Now, with that being said, do I think that they are going to put these restrictions on more offers now? Yes, unfortunately, yes, I think that's going to happen, and we are going to start seeing more restrictions pile on to our favorite offers, such as the P&G offers. Now, another thing that I want to go ahead and let you all know is last month when the P&G rebates came out, they did not have any restrictions whatsoever. And I know that everybody is excited about the P&G rebates, right? Because we can stack them with coupons, get super cheap and free items. Now, with that being said, last month they came out without any restrictions. 2 days later, they all had restrictions on them. So if you guys see an Ibotta Walmart run video pop up in your feed, you better click on that video and run to Walmart and get there before those restrictions are added on. So again, we don't know what's going to happen in the future. We're just going to have to wait it out and see. But if you do see a run Walmart deal pop up, go ahead and click on that video and see what is going on. All right, now getting on back to our list here, they also say that some offers can't be combined with other retailer digital rewards. Digital rewards are just another way to think about cash back. So digital rewards provide cash back as either a fixed amount for an item or a percentage of your total purchase. Ibotta provides savers with digital rewards through Ibotta properties like the Ibotta app, the website, and the browser extension, and through exclusive retailer partnerships like the Walmart Rewards program. So basically, they're saying do not combine Ibotta rebates with Walmart Rewards. And then it goes on further to say, among others. Now, store-run sales or discounted items are not considered an exclusion for Ibotta offer redemption. So we can still combine rebates with store sales and discounted items. Additionally, if you do not receive cash back for an Ibotta offer, you will not receive progress for the Ibotta bonus. Ibotta will not issue bonus progress or may reverse cash back for items purchased and combined with these restrictions. It is always important to check the offer details to understand the specific exclusions and restrictions for that offer. So where does that leave us couponers now? Well, basically we have to learn that we have to click on each individual offer and read the details. Now, is that going to be a learning curve? Yes, because a lot of us are in the habit of just scrolling through, checking out the offers, going in, using our coupons, and scanning our receipt into Ibotta. So will mistakes be made? Yes. Will things be looked over? Yes. Will coupons be used and the rebate still come back to us? Yes. But we just have to be careful, adapt, and do our best and kind of adjust to these changes. Now, hopefully, Ibotta will be understanding that they've kind of pulled a few fast ones on us over the past month and a half, and the ones that have stood by them and didn't go and cash out and delete our accounts, hopefully, they will be understanding and give us a little bit of leeway and wiggle room to work with as well. So that's what I have for you guys so far, and hopefully this won't turn out to be as bad as we think it's going to be. But one thing's for sure, we can all thank Walmart for throwing a big old wrench into our wonderful Ibotta rebates. I'm just kidding, just kidding. But you know what? We got to laugh about something, right? So I'm going to get back to my vacation. I'm going to be talking to you all tomorrow with a follow-up $25 video for Dollar General. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. What are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. While you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.